Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Discord profile color. So first of all we will go into the Discord mobile application, right? And let the app open and just click on the three lines which is on left top corner, and after that you have to go to the profile. So that is a bottom right side corner, and just click on that, and here you can see there's a lot of options and you have to choose the third option, that is user profile. You can see this pencil icon, right? So you have to click this, and after that here you can see you can write description or about me, about bio and all that. And after that here you can change your profile, and on the top right side corner you can see there is a pencil icon, right? So if you click on this here, just let me click, and here you will get an option to change the banner color, right? So here you can see I can just keep whatever color I want. So just let me type here. Okay, I'll choose this color, and if you want you can just use the color codes and to add a specific color. So and after that you have to click on save, and this may change the color, right? And but if you want to add a banner you have to purchase the Nitro, right? So this is for this this is pretty expensive for you if you, but if anybody want to put a banner you can do that by purchasing it. So this is pretty easy guys. So I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.